The frozen setting with a recommended cook time of 12 to 20 minutes is great for cooking frozen pizza and gives you fresh results. Frozen pizza is just one of life's greatest conveniences. And when you own the Pizzaiolo, you can have dinner ready in just 12 to 20 minutes. The frozen style setting on your Pizzaiolo is what you'll use whenever working with a frozen base. Simply insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity. Turn the style dial to the frozen setting. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for this setting. You can adjust the time by turning this dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. We'll use the pizza peel to place the pizza directly on the pizza stone, but don't use the pizza peel if you're using the pizza pan. If you are using the pizza pan, remove the handle first. Now that's in, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. A handy tip when cooking any type of pizza is to make sure that your oven is preheated before placing the pizza into the oven. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the add temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound, and the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. All right, guys, there's enough here for everyone. Who wants a slice?